For demonstration, here we have 17 stitches on my needle, 15 stitches multiple of 3, 5 time 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 and plus 3, 15 and plus 2 edge stitches 17. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. First row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. In this row pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Twist this first stitch or slip this first stitch, knit twice. Now twist these 2 stitches. Take these 2 stitches on your right needle and twist these 2 stitches. Now take these 3 stitches on your left needle and knit 3 together from back loop and make 3 stitches from back loop. First we knit 1, make some loose stitch 1. Now yarn over 2, knit again 3, drop these 3. Here we make 3 stitches from 3 stitches 1 2 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So again slip 1, knit twice, twist these 2 stitches. Now take these 3 stitches on your left needle together and knit 3 together from back loop and make 3 from 3 stitches. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3. Slip 1, knit twice, twist 2 stitches. Now take these 3 stitches together and make 3 from 3 stitches. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3. Slip 1, knit twice, twist this next 2 stitches. Now take these 3 stitches together and make 3 from 3 stitches. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3. One more time. Slip 1, knit twice, twist these next 2 stitches. Now take these 3 stitches together and make 3 from 3 stitches. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3. Here we complete 5 time repeat pattern. Last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed now. Fourth row wrong side. In this row pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Fifth row right side. Again knit these all stitches till the end of row. knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed now. Sixth row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Sixth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. So again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater, gents half sweater, full sweater and muffler. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.